I heard 3 beeps.
Yep.
Cool. Daniel, Clint, Dave, and Pat. That's the probably on the left side, yeah. Okay, great. Look. All right, guys. Let's get.
Oh, one more young fly. One more young fly.
Let's get the back.
Young fly. Young fly. Is that young fly?
You're gonna go on the time.
Oh, what?
And they are off. Meatball leading these guys through the chicane.
Little help. Little help.
Oh,
Julian, flip it on his lid.
Well, see what he can do.
No young fly.
Wow, Meatball did exactly what I did.
Copycat. Little help. Thanks for Dave. Appreciate that.
All right, we got 30 seconds down, 4:30 to go. Nelson Cortez holding down the one spot. Jordan Thompson, 2 followed by Ryan, John, Julian, Derek, Marco, Andy, Joey, and Theo.
Theodore wins.
All right, we got leaders already approaching a little bit of traffic, so if you know you're towards the back of the pack, just be nice, play nice.
Yeah, your leaders are making their way through.
The race leader dropping the red car.
Yeah,
Second place driving the straight yellow. Third place running the highlighter yellow.
The Afghan teammate, Ryan Yamazaki.
Yeah, 1 minute down, just past 1 minute down. Nelson, Jordan, and Ryan, your top three. Got 1.1 between Nelson and Jordan, 1 second even between Jordan and Ryan, 1.1 between Ryan and Julian. Hot lap so far going to Julian Jimenez, 14.9. Got everybody else low 15.
Yeah, it's a 12 on track. 13 up next, Euro Truck. Be ready to go. Euro Truck is next.
Oh, shoot.
All right, buck 45 down, 3:15 to go.
Julian up to P4. Challenging Yamazaki in a moment.
All right, got leaders coming through traffic, guys. Leaders coming through traffic.
Yep, let him through. Let him through. Don't be a factor.
3 minutes left. 3
The
minutes?
race leader off the way down the back straight. Second place now down the back straight.
Are you second to it? What are you? What are you doing?
Got red car leading the crew of yellow cars.
No. Hurry. Hurry.
Looks like Julian sneaks by.
You gotta push that thing.
Up to P3. Interested Jordan Thompson, trailing Thompson by 1.6 lap.
Watch out for Theodore. Watch out.
All right, 2:30 down drivers, 2:30 to go.
You're on the back straight, huh?
Second place battle down the back
Here we go.
straightaway. Lemon yellow versus highlighter yellow.
Kind of
Through the center chicane they
It's
go.
an event. It's kind of an event.
Now under the bridge, 2:15 remains. Nelson Cortez up by 1.4. Jordan up half a second on Meatball that time by. These guys are 1.7 up on Ryan.
Oh, middle, right side, right side, right side, right side. Whoa.
2 minutes to go, drivers.
Right side.
All right, leaders have clear track ahead for maybe a couple laps.
Keep an eye on the 2 yellow cars on driver's right, approaching 22, getting in the infield. Solid yellow, followed by a highlighter yellow.
A little inside-outside action.
Oh.
And a bottom for Julian. What help? There you go.
Oh.
Quick pit stop there by Clean Gal.
Yeah, on the straightaway, no less. A minute 25 to go.
No.
Trouble for Meatball there.
Yeah, we're just trying to make it interesting. Yamazaki is all good with that.
I think I'll Larry in here.
Yamazaki, 1 through 2.
In the video, young fly on the
Minute
track.
10 to go.
It's okay, Larry. I got this one. It's okay.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, I'm just saying Yamazaki. I think he'll ought to be able to hang on to this. There's no doubt Julian's got the quick car by half a second a lap. But with a minute to go, it's about 4 laps of 2 seconds. Yamazaki trailing by, or Julian trailing by 1.4. It's still be close there.
Out front, we got Nelson Cortez, 3.2 up on Jordan now. Last time by leaders coming through traffic. Red car coming through traffic. Good teamwork, guys. You guys got yellow car coming shortly.
35. Gonna be 2 laps, I predict. 2 laps for these guys.
Oh, whoa.
All right, 25 seconds to go. Euro truck, be ready to go. All right, guys, second place car coming through traffic here. Solid yellow, black wheels.
Yeah, looks like they're going to go one more after this.
15 on the clock.
Yeah, Julian in the rearview mirror. Yamazaki got to keep it tight, not let him through. Oh, opens the door. Yeah, can't let that door get open. Julian will get his foot in there.
All right, time has expired. When you cross the line, you will be done.
Young fly on the track.
Young fly on the track. Let's go.